Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftSAC. If you are trying to visit a specific web page on Google Chrome but get blocked by a red warning screen stating ERR cert weak signature algorithm, this indicates that the website is using an outdated SSL security certificate, usually the obsolete SH1 encryption. While the website owner ultimately needs to upgrade their server, there are several methods you can use to resolve false positives or bypass the block locally. Let's walk through the solutions right now. First, your operating system caches digital certificates to speed up browsing, and a corrupted cache can trigger this error even if the website has already updated its security. If you're using Windows, press the Windows key, type Internet Options, and open the Control Panel applet. Click on the Content tab at the top, and then click the button labeled Clear SSL State. Once the success prompt appears, completely restart your Chrome browser and attempt to load the page again. Next, aggressive third-party antivirus software or security extensions will often intercept your web traffic to scan it, which can accidentally break the certificate's signature. Try opening the problematic website in a Chrome Incognito window. If the page loads perfectly fine, a browser extension is to blame. Head to your Chrome extension menu and disable any VPNs or ad blockers. If it still fails, temporarily disable the HTTPS scanning or Web Shield feature inside your desktop antivirus program to see if the connection goes through. Finally, if you absolutely must access this specific website and you fully understand the security risks of an outdated connection, you can force Chrome to ignore certificate errors entirely. Right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. In the Target text box, press the spacebar once at the very end of the file path and type -ignore-certificate-errors. Click Apply and OK. Whenever you launch Chrome using this specific shortcut, the strict security block will be disabled. Hopefully, these troubleshooting steps helped you regain access. If you enjoyed this quick tech guide, please hit the like button and subscribe for more daily fixes. See you in the next video.